Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an image for the browser in Kontakt. Hi. So what I mean by images is one of these right here. And this is for the new browser in Kontakt 8. Okay, and you'll notice that there are a bunch of images for the instruments. However, there are some instruments that have this douchey little folder here that you don't want. I know I don't want it. So I'm going to show you how to create an image that will show up in the browser. All right, and I'm going to use Gravity as an example. Now, I'm not sure if it matters if Kontakt is open or closed, but I'm going to close it just to be on the safe side. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this folder here, which is in Users, Public, Public Documents, NI Resources, Image. Okay, and you want to create a folder of the library that you want to create the image for. All right, so for this instance, I created a folder already called Gravity. Now it's completely empty. Now I noticed that there are some tutorials that will instruct you to do this, that, and the other thing with all this crap. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. The only thing you need to concern yourself with is this file right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to copy this right here, MST_artwork, and I'll show you why in a minute. So now you want to find an image. So I typed in Heaviosity Gravity, and I came up with this right here. So I'm going to save this image. It doesn't matter what it's named or if it's in a PNG or JPEG, but I think PNG is more advisable instead of JPEG, all right? So I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to open it in my photo editor, which is what you're going to need. You're going to need some kind of photo editor in order for this to work, okay? Now, these dimensions are incorrect. The dimensions that you want, I believe, is 132 or 134.66. So I'm going to resize this. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to resize it to 132.66. See, and now you have this teeny tiny little image. I'm not sure if it's 134 or 132. Just to be on the safe side, let me double check here. You can go to Properties, Details. It's 134, okay? There's the dimensions right there, 134.66. So I was correct. No, I was incorrect. It is 134, okay. 134. Not that it makes much of a difference, but all right. Anyway, so now I'm going to save this image with that name that I showed you. Okay, so I'm going to paste MST artwork, and I'm going to save it as that name, all right? So I'm going to deep six the original. Now I'm going to cut and paste. I'm not going to copy it. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to paste it into the folder that I created, Gravity. Paste it in. Okay. View, large icons, boom, there it is. So now I'm going to open up Kontakt. And looky what we have here. A nice new image for Gravity. Okay? And that's all there is to it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Take care.